Hey guys, the Creative Siblings here. Today I'll be showing you how to make a lavender flower out of A4 pieces of paper. What you will need for this is 2 A4 pieces of paper, any colour of your choice. The first step is to grab this piece of paper and fold it over like that. Now you want to open it up and grab some scissors and cut along the folded line. Now what you want to do is grab a glue stick and glue the whole thing. And what you want to do is you want to grab this corner and you want to roll it. So starting it off will be a little bit tricky. You can now put this aside for later. You want to now grab your second piece of paper and you also want to fold it again, sort of about the same size. And instead of opening it and cutting it, you want to keep it closed and cut along that line. Now you want to grab your scissors and on the section that is closed, you want to start cutting little strips. Once you have finished cutting out your snippets, you want to open up the paper carefully. Once you've opened it up, you just want to turn the paper over and glue that side and meet it to the other side. Now you will need the green stem that we made before, and you want to cut the tip of it off. And you also want to make sure you put a little bit of glue along this part as well, and especially on the corner. You want to grab this, and with this side that we cut off, you want to start gluing it. And you sort of want to turn it around and make a 12 so it goes down. And there you have your lavender flower. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, as well as putting the post notifications on.